excavators that stay afloat, cranes that climb wind turbine towers like koalas, and an automated train that can replace several railroad crews. This video showcases machines that are truly worth your attention and your likes. The multifunctional, self-propelled and highly amphibious Portum 1200 has yet another advantage. It supports a wide range of attachments. That's why it takes on all sorts of tasks. Cutting ice? No problem. Cleaning rivers? Easy. Collecting spilled oil? Of course. It can even mow reeds and restore soil. The Kemrock EK attachments are so effective that it still has no rivals on the market. Take this EK140 chain cutter for example. It's 2 meters tall and tears through not just asphalt, but also rock. Ames disc cutters turn excavators into giant pizza cutters. Concrete, asphalt, stone, these materials don't stand a chance. The cut width reaches 18 centimeters, and the depth goes up to 170 centimeters. Here are two harvesters, the Ponsa Ergo and the Ponsa Buffalo. The Ergo comes in 6 and 8 wheel versions, moves easily on soft ground and automatically sets log cutting lengths. The Buffalo offers 8 or 10 wheels, a boom reach of up to 10 meters, and an optional active frame system that eliminates lateral swings affecting the driver. Replacing railway tracks is usually a multi-step process. Workers have to remove old rails and sleepers, prepare the ballast bed, and then install new tracks. It's a long and labor-intensive process. That's why Austria developed the Svitelski RU800S machine. It performs all these steps in a single pass. Now, 2 kilometers of track can be replaced in a day, with just a few operators overseeing the machine instead of multiple crews. The Fantini GU70 Special is a newcomer in the world of stone cutting equipment. It's suitable for both open cast and tunnel applications, bites into all types of marble, and delivers a maximum cutting depth of 3.2 meters. The Cutter Soil Mix system blends soil with a binding agent, such as cement, creating a stronger foundation for roads, buildings, or soil cement walls. This is a giant excavator. Meet the Prodeco RK5000. It weighs 5,600 tons, moves 4,450 cubic meters of material per hour, and needs 15,000 liters of hydraulic fluid to operate. The trackless stump grinder can take on even the largest stumps. Its 34 teeth dig into the wood, reducing it to a pile of sawdust. For a perfectly clean result, the grinder can cut up to 35 centimeters below ground level. Time to dig another trench. The powerful Wolf 8000 crawler trencher, boasting 440 horsepower, is up to the task. It can handle trenches up to 1 meter wide and 2.4 meters deep. The EHU-200 is a modified CAT M314F excavator designed for underground mining. It features a height of less than 2.7 meters, larger and more rigid supports, and a specially designed boom. The Komatsu 12CM27 continuous miner works underground, helping with tasks like coal extraction. Weighing around 77 tons and packing over 1,000 horsepower, this machine is designed for narrow mining tunnels. There are fewer than 10 ALF units in the world. This impressive firefighting system is equipped with 2 aviation turbines that produce a combined 12,000 horsepower. It can discharge up to 8,000 liters of water per minute. Goodbye, concrete. The MHB Badger Breaker is here to take you down. This machine hammers away with 12 massive breakers, each weighing up to 794 kilograms. By the end of a shift, it clears around 5 kilometers of concrete. The John Deere 334P is not just powerful, it's comfortable too. The 2025 model comes with a 118 horsepower engine, air conditioning, and a pneumatic suspension seat. The mobile impact crusher Mobirex MR110i Evo 2 is all about speed. It crushes 205 tons of asphalt per hour and 240 tons of concrete per hour. Watch how smoothly the Link-Belt 245X4 excavator handles drilling. It also features the most comfortable cabin in its category, making the operator's experience pure pleasure. The C6T XP2 is designed for installing structural elements like micropiles. It's equally effective in tunnel construction, foundation preparation, and soil investigations. The machine is available in both diesel and electric versions. The TrackDrive TD42T is a self-propelled lift that can be controlled directly from the platform. It moves at 2 km per hour and smoothly raises workers to a height of about 13 meters. The cab and dump bed of the Terramac RT14R rotates a full 360 degrees. This beast carries up to 12.7 tons. The Chemrock DMW 220 milling attachment features a cutting disc nearly 2 meters in diameter. Soon, all that will be left for this stormwater basin are memories. The Wolf Dewatering Trencher digs trenches nearly 6 meters deep. That's some serious power and speed. Imagine how long it would take a crew to do that by hand. piles stand no chance against the KP315A hydraulic pile breaker. An excavator with this attachment can demolish 40 piles in 8 hours. We're in France, facing a 9-story tall water tower that needs to come down. The SK400 DLC excavator is the perfect choice. Designed for demolition, it reaches heights of up to 24 meters, and that's not even its limit. This 47-meter super yacht is safe and sound, secured by the powerful Marine Travelift 820C. This machine can lift up to 820 tons, enough to hoist a dozen M1 Abrams tanks. The Casa Grande Hydromill FD70 makes foundation work easier. It digs complex excavation pits, creating sections of 3 by 1.5 meters in one go. The Super 3003i is the largest asphalt paver in the Fugler lineup. It can lay strips up to 18 meters wide in a single pass, making it perfect for major projects like runway construction. In the video, it's paving at a rate of 1.6 meters per minute, but depending on the project, it can work up to 15 times faster. The Gomeco GP Slipform Paver is also impressive. It lays strips up to 12 meters wide, and in the video, ensures a final concrete thickness of 30 centimeters. The PakMat PK404 handles an unpleasant but essential job: compacting waste. This allows containers to be packed more densely, fitting 50% more trash and increasing efficiency without adding more containers. Quosco offers this machine for removing old concrete from roads. Its key feature is a smart crushing system. It doesn't just break the solid surface into small pieces, but also separates concrete from mesh or rebar. This speeds up work 5-fold and makes the resulting concrete easier to recycle. The CAT MD6310 is marketed as a powerful and practical tracked blast hole drill. With it, drilling holes up to 31 centimeters in diameter becomes much more efficient. Cutting-edge technology even enables autonomous drilling. Unlike many of their counterparts, Konecranes E-Ace container handlers run on electricity. They operate for 12 hours on a single charge and lift loads of up to 10 tons. The MDE KRB 100 leads the way for a crew tasked with transplanting trees. It wraps branches to shrink the tree crown diameter to about a meter. The Wagner LC120 is a special-purpose bulldozer. See those wheels? They're designed to compact waste before it's buried. The Knox Kershaw KTR 450 works on railroads, replacing old ties with new ones. In the video, the ties are wooden, but the machine can also handle reinforced concrete ties. The operator's cab is compact, yet equipped with both heating and air conditioning for comfort. The Chifa K67H concrete pump boasts the longest boom available on the market. Its 7 sections extend to a total of 67 meters. That's nearly the length of 3 tennis courts laid end to end. The Beagle 4 is a dredger with a 4,000 cubic meter hopper. It can operate at depths of up to 25 meters and is known for having the best fuel efficiency in its class. The D-Wind 1-pass trenching machine isn't just big, it's the largest single-pass trencher in the world. With 4,500 horsepower, this giant can dig trenches up to 49 meters deep. The Vermeer HG4000 grinder features a patented duplex drum system and can be operated remotely from up to 91 meters away. It's no surprise that it processes up to 160 cubic meters of wood chips per hour. The Tana H-Series consists of landfill compactors designed for optimizing waste management. They not only create impressively smooth surfaces, but also reduce costs by up to 10% compared to other machines. Using a special rotary bucket, the excavator operator sifts through concrete mixer waste, preparing it for recycling. A standard wind turbine today is taller than a 30-story building, so how do you assemble such a giant? Easily. The LCC 140 crane is already on site. It climbs upward like a koala, lifts up to 140 tons, and operates via remote control. The Comptech TopTurn X6000 turns compost piles at a rate of up to 5,000 cubic meters per hour. The Blue Diamond Extreme Duty system is also built for mulching. Its working width is either 102 or 127 centimeters. The developers claim it's one of the fastest systems on the market, and after this impressive demonstration, it's easy to believe. Once part of Poland's coal industry, the Dolores SRS 1800 excavator sets its sights on becoming a museum exhibit last year. Standing at 38 meters, it's bound to attract tourists. The real question is, will the tour include a view from the top? Everything's under control. The Komatsu D155W didn't sink, it got right to work. This impressive bulldozer can operate at depths of up to 7 meters. It's controlled remotely via radio or cables, so there's no need for an operator to dive in. Cleaning roadside drainage ditches used to be a tough job for entire teams. Now, one operator with a Transtrac CF500 can handle it. In an hour, a 2-kilometer stretch will be clean. This forging system creates complex details like multi-stage shafts. It handles blanks weighing up to 357 tons. The next-gen system improves positioning and cuts energy use by 30%. The trapezoidal trencher ET7300 is a trenching machine that can dig up to 2.5 meters deep and runs on a 385 horsepower diesel engine. Gosho is the world's largest grab dredger. Essentially a floating crane with two huge buckets, it scoops up sediment from depths of up to 48 meters, grabbing up to 120 cubic meters at a time. When it was released, the Kaiser S12 was the latest in walking excavators. Thanks to its leg-like supports, it works confidently on slopes and can even wade into water up to 2.5 meters deep. Modern wind turbine blades can be incredibly long. 100 meters isn't even their maximum length. To transport them, specialized trailers like the Goldhofer FTV 550 are used. It can handle up to 16 tons and allows the blade to be angled up to 60 degrees. The Senebogen 728E is impressively versatile. Felling and trimming trees, mowing and mulching grass, handling rootstocks, this machine does it all. Its boom extends up to 21 meters and is compatible with attachments ranging from cutting units to trimmers. We're in the Netherlands, where a 20 kilovolt cable connected to a wind turbine is being laid. Workers are using a cable plow, which minimizes soil disturbance. It's highly effective in soft and marshy ground, plowing the earth, laying the cable, and covering it all in one pass. This compact workhorse from Eskers Cleaning is indispensable for clearing festival, concert, and event sites. It uses special magnets to collect metal debris like tent stakes. The Casa Grande B200 XP2 is built for drilling boreholes, extracting and installing casing pipes, and driving large diameter piles. It can reach a maximum depth of 68 meters. A touch control system with cameras ensures the operator works efficiently and safely. The Berkey Triton 1500 removes algae, branches, and debris from bodies of water. It stands out with a highly efficient 15 cubic meter cargo section that can be emptied in seconds. Crocklift moves massive boats and yachts as if they were toys. Thanks to its amphibious design, it can also launch them into the water with ease. Brextor is another innovation in the challenging task of pile demolition. First, a milling cutter is used, followed by an extractor that removes the remaining pile. The goal is to make the process faster and safer than traditional methods. What do you think? Share your opinion in the comments below. Unlike a standard impact compactor, the Landpak HEIC isn't round. Its unique shape makes it effective even on extremely dry soil. Measurements show that it penetrates deeper than traditional rollers. The Alcons team showcases another soil mixing system. As with the previous one, cement can be added to create a soil cement wall up to 25 meters deep. Versatility is the foundation of Sintrac. In its base form, it looks like a hybrid between a buggy and a tractor, but it adapts to customer needs with attachments. Right now, Sintrac is clearing snow, but it can just as easily transform into a harvester or an airfield vehicle. It even has a crab steering mode where all of its wheels turn. Quickly mulch shrubs, trees and stumps up to 13 centimeters in diameter with the Bull Hog system. The Komatsu WX15 loader looks a bit squashed. Did a rock fall on it? Nope, it's perfectly fine. It's simply designed for small, narrow vein mining operations, and on top of its unusual shape, it boasts the best speed in its class, 24 kilometers per hour. The FHS 55 STD is a compact yet powerful forklift. It can be easily hitched to a truck and lifts up to 2.5 tons. The Ponsa Scorpion Giant Harvester is the ultimate combination of power and precision. 279 horsepower, a manipulator with 280-degree rotation, and a reach of up to 11 meters, plus an articulated frame for maximum maneuverability. Komatsu has another loader built for especially tight mining spaces, the Joy LT650. Despite its compact size, it lifts an impressive 6.5 tons, and it features the largest operator cab in its class. The CAT 330 UHD excavator is built for demolishing buildings and structures, excelling in tight urban spaces. It works confidently at heights of 5 to 6 stories. The Toypin Puma 42 GTX lift can carry 2 workers to a height of nearly 43 meters. The ultra-powerful CAT 994K wheel loader is ready to make a name for itself in the mining world. Its top-tier bucket holds nearly 40 cubic meters of coal, and it unloads at a height of 6 meters.